Muslim boys' names starting with C with meaning in English by I. Fechtner. Saadi means fate, origin Arabic. Casper means guardian of the treasure, origin Persian. Chabuk means smart, intelligent, origin Persian. Chcha means hawk, origin Persian. Chayni means beautiful, origin Persian. Chaakhrah means circle, origin Persian. Chaman means garden, origin Persian. Chaman Gul means garden flower, origin Urdu. Chambaili means a flower, origin Urdu. Chanan Din means light of a religion, origin Urdu. Chaand means moon, origin Urdu. Chanda means moon-like, origin Urdu. Changaiz means brave, origin Turkish. Charjah means lamp, origin Urdu. Chashana means scholar, origin Persian. Chasheeda means expert, origin Persian. Chawish means leader of an army, origin Persian. Chegmag means song, origin Persian. Cher means conquered, origin Persian. Chiragh means lamp, origin Urdu. Chessy means strength, origin Hindi. Chiragh Din means lamp of a religion, origin Urdu. Chishti means religious wisdom, origin Persian. Chitrazat means born in a good family, origin Persian. Chitrali is a resident of Chitral region, origin Urdu. Chohan is a subcaste of Rajputs, origin Hindi. Chaudhary means respected man in a village, origin Urdu. Chauj means beauty, origin Urdu. Chughtai means descendants of Chughtai Khan, origin Turkish. Siddh means honor, origin Arabic. Zero means sun, origin Persian. Cyrus Crorus was the name of one of the kings of Iran, region Persian. Common means morality, region Arabic. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. Please note that this video tutorial is only for knowledge sharing purposes. I cannot guarantee the accuracy of the meanings and pronunciation of names in this tutorial. Name can be spelled and pronounced differently. I would advise you to consult a local scholar for verification before deciding a name for your baby. Please like this video tutorial and share it with your friends and family. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.
Like, share, subscribe. I Factner.